Imagine waking up every day not only battling feelings of deep sadness and worthlessness but also experiencing a reality distorted by hallucinations and delusions. This is the word of someone suffering from psychotic depression. Mental health is as crucial as physical health, yet it's often shrouded in misinformation and stigma. Today we dive deep into a complex and often misunderstood condition, psychotic depression. We will explore what it is, its symptoms, causes and treatments alongside some real-life implications. Psychotic depression or major depressive disorder with psychotic features is a subtype of major depression that includes some form of psychosis. This can involve delusions that are false beliefs detached from reality or hallucinations where a person sees or hears things that aren't there. Psychotic depression affects about 1% of the global population but constitutes up to 25% of those admitted for depression related hospitalization. The complexity of its symptoms makes diagnosis challenging, which is why awareness is key. Symptoms of psychotic depression: depressive symptoms, persistent sadness, loss of interest in activities, fatigue or lethargy. Psychotic symptoms: hallucinations, visual or auditory, delusions, often paranoid or grandiose. Cognitive impairments such as trouble focusing or making decisions. Combining severe depression with psychosis makes this a particularly challenging condition affecting how one feels, thinks, and perceives reality. Now understand it with example. A middle-aged professional, Sarah, a 40-year-old accountant, has a history of depression but recently started experiencing more severe symptoms. She reported hearing voices telling her she was worthless and that her work was failing, despite accolades from her colleagues. Exhibited severe depressive symptoms including inability to enjoy life and persistent sadness. Experienced delusion of poverty, believing she was going bankrupt. Causes of psychotic depression: biological factors. Genetic predispositions can play a significant role. Imbalances in brain chemistry, particularly concerning neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, are also believed to contribute. In physical health, chronic illness, hormonal imbalances, or neurological conditions can raise risk levels. Life events and stress. Traumatic events such as the loss of loved one, divorce, or high stress can trigger psychotic depression in susceptible individuals. Cognitive impairments such as troubling, focusing, or making decisions. Now, what types of behavioral change a person faces with these symptoms? Extreme social withdrawal, decreased ability to carry out daily activities. Physical symptoms: changes in sleep patterns and appetite, physical agitation or retardation. Treatment plans for psychotic depression. Treatment typically includes a combination of medication, therapy, and lifestyle adjustments. Let's break it down. Medication: antidepressants for depression and antipsychotics for psychosis are commonly prescribed to manage symptoms. Psychotherapy: techniques like cognitive behavioral therapy help address thought patterns. Hospitalization: in severe cases, hospitalization ensures safety and intensive care. Electroconvulsive therapy: this is sometimes used when other treatments are ineffective. Diet and lifestyle adjustments. Balanced diet: focus on omega-3 fatty acids, whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables to boost brain health. B vitamins, especially B12 and folate, to support brain health and reduce symptoms. Regular exercise aids in managing symptoms by increasing serotonin levels and improving mood. Psychotic depression is daunting by understanding it is the first step towards overcoming it. If you or someone you know exhibits signs of depression, especially with psychotic features, reaching out for professional help is crucial. Remember, mental health matters. Don't go at it alone. If you are depressed and don't know what type of depression you are facing, go and watch this particular video, understand your depression type and go for the treatment. Thank you. See you in the next one.